No matter the time, my friends, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, this is a video about the ANT ESC 1520 motor and Wi-Fi-Link combo. The set comes in a well-designed, compact, and lightweight package. Upon opening the package, you'll first see the accessories in their individual packaging. The Wi-Fi-Link at the top, the ANT ESC and 1520 motor in the middle, and the accessories at the bottom. The ANT ESC employs an upgraded electronic switch design, eliminating the wear associated with traditional mechanical switches. Simply press lightly to start and stop effortlessly. Sensitive response and longer service life. The PCB board and metal aluminum heatsink feature a sealant filling design, providing comprehensive protection with waterproof and dustproof characteristics. Supports input voltages for two S3S lithium batteries with a continuous current of 50 ampere. With Escape 3.2 firmware, supports protocols including PWM, one-shot, multi-shot, and just shot all. Equipped with an intelligent parameter adjustment system, it also features a built-in BEC for stable and powerful output. The 1520 motor also supports operating voltages from 2S to 3S, featuring high-quality bearings, hardened motor shafts, reinforced metal outer rotors, ultra-soft silicone wires, high-temperature resistant magnets, and enameled wires. It delivers high efficiency, low power consumption, and superior energy conversion efficiency. 9 slots, 12 poles, 3500 kV value. The connector is a PH 2.0 to MX 2.0 to 3P male connector. 20 AWG, 100mm cable. Mounting holes are for M2 screws. The hole spacing comes in 3 sizes, 9mm, 10mm, and 12.5mm, compatible with most common mounting hole diameters. Simply by connecting your phone or computer, this Wi-Fi-Link paired with smart parameter adjustment of ANT ESC allows you to freely adjust various settings, including motor timing advance, brake force, throttle mode, low voltage protection, and over temperature protection. Freely adjust the performance of your crawler cars to create a one-of-a-kind personalized ride. It also includes a firmware upgrade function. Accessories include one PH 2.0 to JST connector for ANT ESC, one PH 2.0 to MX 2.0 cable, one 3M tape, and 2 black zip ties. For 1520 motor, 0.3 M24T gear, 0.4 M16T gear, 0.4 M11T gear, 1 each. SEQURE ANT ESC and 1520 motor and Wi-Fi-Link is an outrunner brushless power system specifically designed for 1 to 24, 1 to 18, 1 to 16 scale rock crawlers. Mini size perfectly fits the small scale cars, which not disrupt the original car's counterweight and center of gravity balance. Included cables meet the needs of various car models on the market. Technology shapes the future, and SEQURE embraces innovation. Should you have any suggestions or feedback regarding our products, please feel free to contact us. We will respond promptly and continue to improve.